Hello, my beautiful and blessed people. Welcome back to Starling Family TV. And guys, today I'm going to show you how I made this party fried rice. If you're interested to know how I made this fried rice, please do watch this video till the end. And also, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I say may God bless you all. So guys, I already sliced everything. Okay, so here is the rice, parboiled rice. I already washed the rice, and that is my green beans. I sliced it. I chopped a lot of green beans and onions and maize. No fried rice. Like I don't make fried rice without maize. Okay, and that's my carrot over there, and that's the turkey wings I'm going to be using. All right, I'm making it for a friend for a birthday party. So guys, let me take you guys along. Here is my mixed up. I just want to, this is what I used to steam my chicken, and now I'm going to put my rice in it. Okay, and before I put my rice, I first of all have to test the taste. If everything is okay, like if there's not enough salt, I can always add salt, and I can always add a seasoning cube or whatever. Okay, when everything is okay, then I'll just start putting my rice. So guys, let me take you guys along. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and bye bye.